What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Wake Up by Travis Scott. If you're new here, click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial and I won't have to slip lean into your morning coffee. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is kind of bananas. It's starting in standard tuning, and as always I will have the guitar tab in the description below, so I recommend you 100% going and download the guitar tab because this song is more of an intermediate style song. The tab for it is a little bit more difficult, but I will show you how to play it. We'll break it all down. Let's jump into it. So you're starting out index finger, 3rd fret, low E. You're going to pick that twice. And then you're going middle finger and ring finger on the 4th fret on the D and G string. And you're picking that once. Then you're going to pick the low E again, pick the D and the G string again, slide it down to the 2nd fret on both the D and the G string. So and right, what I'm doing there is I'm kind of wiggling the strings. That's what gives it that kind of funky sound. That's all that I'm doing to make it do that. So when you get there, quickly pick both of those again, and then you're going 2nd fret on the low E, and you're doing the same picking pattern with that and the 2nd fret of the D string and the 3rd fret of the G string. So it goes. And that's all that does there. It comes from here, slide down, pick one more time, 2nd on the E, twice, then 2 and 3 on the D and G string. All together slowly, that part looks like. Moving on, you're going right back up to that same formation, and you're going to pluck that again. Except this time, after picking that there, you're going to go middle finger on the E, because you're going to go index finger barring the D and the G string on the 2nd fret. You're going to pluck it at the same time, slide it up to 4, and then pluck it again. So the start of this one looks like. And you're going 2nd fret on your A string, picking that twice, and then picking the 3 and the 2 on the G and B string. So from the start of this phrase here, one more time, and again. Now finally, you're going barring the 5th fret on the B and the G, on the B and the E string. You're gonna down pluck that, slide it up to the 7th fret on both the B and the E string. So then you're gonna upstrum twice, and then slide back down to the 5th fret. And then down up pick once. So down, slide, up, slide, slide, up, down, or slide, down, up. And I guess it doesn't really matter if you're picking down or up as long as you're pick, slide, pick, slide, pick. So, all together slowly, this riff looks like this. Once you have that down, that's almost the entire riff. So this thing goes through twice. What I just showed you is the first time. The second time is the exact same way. The only thing you're changing is that when you go down to the second fret on your low E and you're doing the 2 and the 3 on your D and your G string, instead of doing that twice, you're taking that second one out and you're doing it once, and then you're going 4 on the G, 2 on the G, 4 on the D, 2 on the D. And what I'm doing there is I'm plucking the 4 and the 2 on the G, and then pretty much hammering on to the 4th on the D, plucking the 2. So you can pluck it if you need to, if your fingers aren't strong enough to get the note out of it from hammering it on. But it sounds cooler if you hammer it on. So with that included, I'll play through the whole riff, and that way you can see what it all looks like together. Looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.